How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about judgment, the judgment card. All right, so before I get started, please subscribe. It's free, and we're doing this awesome playlist of the tarot and all the cards and the history of the tarot. So subscribe. Okay, the judgment card. Judgment. A golden-haired, red-winged angel emerges from the clouds, bellowing a trumpet and bearing a white tablet decorated with a Greek cross. A cross of arms of equal length symbolize balanced forces. In the foreground, below the naked grave figures, apparently dead, a man, a child, and a woman acknowledge the angel's appearance by raising from their open graves with open arms. The coffins are floating in the sea of unconscious. In the background, another family awakened from the dead in the same manner. The trumpet heralds a call for action. The time is at hand. The wait is over. Judgment symbolizes the power of truth to liberate and facilitate the freedom of change. Okay, so the 20th card, Judgment. A calling, a spiritual change, an awakening and rebirth of consciousness. You may be looking back over a situation, assessing what has occurred in order to come to a better understanding of yourself. The time is right for change and action. Judgment heralds a new direction in life, self-appraisal, coming to terms with inner conflicts, seeking resolutions that result in change of consciousness, that provides an objective view of the situation, and find yourself at a turning point. Breaking old habits and letting go of resentment and pain, choosing your path, a career, a spiritual lifestyle with a focus on truth, resulting in a new life, a time for rejoicing. All right, so keywords: a calling, spiritual change, karma, reward or punishment, liberation, end or beginning of another, successful, completion, and renewal. Okay, so here are all the Celtic cross positions. Okay, so I suggest there's a video we've done. It's a reference guide for the Celtic cross. So if you look at the top right hand corner of this video, you'll see suggested videos. Go and have a look there. We've done a video called Celtic Cross. What it does is it shows you how all the cards are laid out and all the positions and how they're interrelated. So you won't understand this because we're going to go through the positions now without the figure and without you getting that information. So go and have a look at that video first before we carry on over here. Okay. All right, let's get started. Key position number 1 represents an individual who possesses sound judgment and is able to pass from one situation to another with confidence and ease. You have heard a calling to action, and on another level, it represents accountants and judges. All right, situation. A. Your situation promises a new lease on life. B. There's a spiritual element not yet recognized. C. Criticism or judgment may be an important component to the issue. Okay, so flag position number 2 represents an awakening, liberation, or reckoning. It may indicate a careful evaluation, determination, or settlement. The naked truth. All right, so challenges. A. Look at the issue in a new light. Can you find bright new possibilities that the issue holds for you? B. Reevaluate the matter before and determine its real worth and whether it fits into your long-range goals. C. You have completed an important phase in your life and should allow some time to rejoice because another change will come all too soon. All right, so root position number 3 represents starting over. It suggests a newfound energy and excitement over prospects of renewal. The truth about the situation will become clear. You may hear your true calling and starting a new slate. Okay, past position number 4 represents a renewal of spirit, a chance to try again, a new start. It suggests a reward for hard work, a good living, or liberation from an inactive, lifeless situation. Okay, so number 5, the crown position, represents a calling. You may come across an opportunity of a lifetime. This is the end of a period of dormancy and the beginning of action, and are filled with renewed energy. 6th position, near future position, represents a calling and opportunity to do something or to be somebody that suits one's desires. It indicates an awakening or rebirth. You see life in a new light. It indicates a settlement, a time when truth becomes clear. Fear position, number 7, represents a fear of going too far or changing to the point of no return. A fear of putting all your energy into something new. You may be afraid to evaluate yourself truthfully. Okay, so eighth position, judgment position, represents a person that's hoping for an opportunity to change for a new lifestyle, a new path to follow, or new meaning or purpose in life. It suggests someone who is moving towards bigger and better things. Okay, so ninth position, the hope position, represents your desire to find your calling in life, hoping to start over with a new slate and make a new start. You may be hoping for a settlement or wish to go into something completely different in life. It indicates a wish to pay back a karmic debt, a wish for spiritual cleansing. Okay, so the 10th position, the future outcome position, represents starting over. It indicates rebirth, a change in consciousness, liberation, a release from a period of inactivity. It suggests a settlement or a decision to be made. Karma is calling. Okay, so here are the opposing and reinforcing cards of judgment. All right, so I'm going to read them to you now. The planet is Pluto, the element is fire, astrological zodiac Libra. Actions, judgment, reborn, hearing a calling, and absolution. So the opposing cards: death, death, endings, departure. Five of Cups, regret, mistakes. Nine of Swords, guilt, blame, despair. Reinforcing cards: the Fool, rebirth, new beginnings, new start. Justice, deciding, accepting responsibility for errors. And the Seven of Pentacles, decisions for changes made. All right, so that's it for judgment. Now, our next video is going to be on the world. This is the last of the major arcana cards. All right, and we're going to do the video on the world on the next video. So please like this video. Please share it with everybody you know. And once again, subscribe to our channel. It's free. And we're doing this awesome playlist on the tarot and the history of the tarot, as I always say. So please subscribe. And leave any comments, suggestions, whatever you want. So until our next video on the world, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Good day on you.